Instant editing is another CollaborArt advanced feature. This video shows how to identify and use an object after it has been made. The workspace has a large canvas area. The browser's zoom in and zoom out facility allows this space to be fully utilized. Once text areas are made, they're assigned an ID number. These numbers can be referenced in a script in the document from that point onwards. This opens up many possibilities. Considering that a function to play an audio track can be started from a script. When the audio track is finished, the event audio ended is called and can be caught and processed. This means the next page and the next audio track can be continued without user intervention. Using this technique, an audiobook can be made quite easily. All it takes is: first, select a text area and copy the ID to the clipboard. Then select the object which will trigger the process. And to finish off, add in a function to do whatever. Using paste, the previously selected object's ID can be inserted where required. With a few lines of code, you can produce interesting documents with on-the-fly programming. This opens vast scope of possibilities using CollaborArt. It breaks you out from the box of limitation. Thanks for watching this short presentation.